So the question number 1, Tadlaho is a dance festival primarily celebrated by which tribe of Meghalaya? Option number C, Jaintia. 2. Which of the following folk dances is performed by the fisher folk of Mithila region in Bihar? Option number C, Kamla. 3. Which of the following dances of Goa is performed to celebrate the victory of Maratha warriors over the Portuguese? Option number A, Ghademodni. 4. Which war dance is performed during the Nagda festival by tribes of Nagaland? Option number C, Rengma. 5. Dash dance is embedded in the stories from the epics Mahabharata, Ramayana and Puranas. Option number A, Kathakali is the correct answer. 6. Which Indian tribal dance is prevalent in the Araku Valley near Visakhapatnam? Option number A, Dhimsha. 7. Which Indian classical dance form has compositions in the Meithei language? Option number C, Manipuri. 8. Which of the following dances is performed in Goa during Ganesh Chaturthi? Number C, Fugdi. 9. Mohiniyattam is associated with which traditional dance style? Option number D, Lasha style. 10. Khwallam is a famous dance of? Number C, Mizoram. 11. Teratali folk dance is primarily associated with which state? Option number A, Rajasthan. 12. Matki dance is the famous folk dance of which state? Number C, Madhya Pradesh. 13. In which state is Hojagari dance predominantly performed? Option number A, Tripura. 14. In which state is the Chufat dance performed? Option number D, Sikkim. 15. Kuki dance is predominantly performed in? Option number A, Nagaland. 16. Langbir Nritya is a folk dance from which state? Option number C, Uttarakhand. 17. Chung dance is a popular in the state of? Number C, Rajasthan. 18. Which classical dance was introduced by the Vaishnava saint and reformer of Assam? Option number C, Satriya. 19. Jagoi and Cholam are two divisions in which classical dance form? Option number C, Manipuri. 20. Rauf is a folk dance of which state or UT? Option number D, Jammu and Kashmir. 21. Bhavai is a dance form belonging to which state? Option number C, Rajasthan. 22. What is known as Ekharia, where one dancer plays many roles in a single performance? Option number A, Bharatnatyam. 23. The Bhotia dance form is a folk dance of which Indian state? Option number D, Uttarakhand. 24. How many types of makeup, vesham, are used in Kathakali dance? Option number C, 5. 25. Which classical dance form is usually concluded with Tarangam? Option number A, Kuchipudi. 26. Lai Harava is the earliest form of which classical dance? Option number B, Manipuri. 27. From which epic did the Garadi folk dance of Puducherry originate? Option number A, Ramayana. 28. Cherau dance belongs to which state? Option number C, Mizoram. 29. Bharatanatyam was earlier known as? Option number A, Sadir. 30. When was Bharatanatyam banned by the British government? Number B, 1910. 31. What is one act play of Satriya called? Option number D, Ankiyanat. 32. Bhutia dance is performed in which state? Number D, Sikkim. 33. Which dance form is based on Raslila themes of Radha Krishna? Number D, Manipuri. 34. Thullal dance originated in which state? Option number A, Kerala. 35. Thumri music is associated with which dance form? Option number A is the correct answer, Kathak. 36. Which dance was preceded by a temple practice called Sevakali? Option number A, Kathakali. 37. Gaur Maria, a group dance of joy and invocation, belongs to which state? Number D, Chhattisgarh. 38. Dandari troops perform dash during Diwali in Telangana. Number C, Gusadi. 39. Which dance form is associated with Natowari dance? Option number A, Kathak. 40. Siddhi Dhamal dance belong to which state? Option number B, Gujarat. 41. Lebak Bhumani dance is the harvest dance of? Option number C, Tripura. 42. Mahari and Gotipua dances belong to which state? Option number A, Odisha. 43. Rikhampada dance belongs to which state? Option number D, Arunachal Pradesh. 44. Lambadi dance is a folk form of which tribe from Andhra Pradesh? Option number B, Banjara. 45. Mundari dance is associated with with the tribal community of which state? Option number D, Jharkhand. 46. Which dance is performed by the Adi tribe of Arunachal Pradesh? Option number A, Tapu. 47. Chali, Jhumra and Nadu Bhangai are associated with which classical dance? Option number B, Satriya. 48. The traditional singing of Nat is associated with which dance? Number B, Manipuri. 49. The Karma tribal dance form is associated with which state? Option number A, Chhattisgarh. 50. Laho is a dance form of which state? Option number C, Meghalaya. 51. Sarhul is a famous tribal dance festival of which state? Option number C, Jharkhand. 52. Kamsale is the folk dance of which Indian state? Option number B, Karnataka. 53. Dashkathia is the tribal dance of which state? Option number D, Odisha. 54. Which dance is performed by the Santhal tribe of Jharkhand? Option number A, Jhika Dasin. 55. Changai dance is associated with which Indian state? Option number C, Nagaland. 56. Karagam folk dance is associated with which state? Option number A, Tamil Nadu. 57. Nala Charitham play is associated with which Indian dance form? Option number B, Kathakali. 58. Bhutkola, a spirit worship ritual dance, is from which state? Option number D, Karnataka. 59. The Zomal Lok folk dance is associated with which community? Option number D, Lepcha community. 60. Jhijia, a folk dance of Bihar, performed during Navaratri to worship which form of the goddess? Option number C, Lakshmi Parvati Saraswati. 61. Which classical dance form of India is known for its sculpturous poses inspired by temple carvings? Option number B, Odissi. 62. The tribal dance Bagurumba is performed by which community? Option number C, Bodo tribe of Assam. 63. In Kathakali, the red beard Tati Vesham character represents which quality? Option number B, evil and ferocity. 64. Kuchipudi originated from which village of Andhra Pradesh? Option number A, Kuchipudi village, Krishna district. 65. Which classical dance form combines both Tandav and Lasya elements harmoniously? Number C, Bharatnatyam. 66. Which classical dance form is unique for using ankle bells, ghungroos to enhance rhythm and storytelling? Option number A, Kathak. 67. The Dalkhai dance is performed by women during festivals in which state? Option number C, Odisha. 68. The term Chau is derived from a Sanskrit word meaning? Option number C, musk or shadow. 69. The Gotipot tradition in Odisha served as a precursor to which classical dance? Number A, Odissi. 70. Bihu dance is related to which aspect of Assamese life? Number B, agriculture and fertility. 71. Yakshagan is the theatrical dance drama from popular in which Indian state? Yakshagan. Option number C, Karnataka. 72. In which classical dance forms do dancers often perform while standing on brass plates? Option number B, Kuchipudi. 73. The Lavani dance of Maharashtra is traditionally performed to the beats of which instrument? The Lavani dance of Maharashtra. Option number C, Dholki. 74. The dance Padayani is associated with temple rituals in which state? Option number C, Kerala. 75. Bharatanatyam follows which ancient text as its foundation guide? Option number C, Natya Shastra. 76. The folk dance Dhumal is performed exclusively by men in which region? Option number C, Jammu and Kashmir. 77. Which of the following classical dances uses mudras, hand gesture, most extensively? Option number B, Bharatanatyam. 78. The Fag dance is performed to celebrate which festival? Number C, Holi. 79. The Kummi and Kolattam dances are folk dances from which state? Number B, Tamil Nadu. 80. The Charukula dance of Uttar Pradesh involves balancing what on the head? Option number C, multi-tiered lampstands. 81. The Singhi Cham dance depicting a snow lion belongs to which region? Option number C, Sikkim. 82. The dance Perini Shivathandavam was revived in modern times from which dynasty's tradition? Number C, Kakatiya. 83. Rauf and Hafiza are popular dance forms from which region? Number B, Kashmir. 84. The Panthi dance is performed as a part of which community's cultural expression? The number A, Satnami community of Chhattisgarh. 85. Nautanki is a traditional folk theatre dance from which Indian state? Option number C, Uttar Pradesh. 86. The Bhutia folk dance is influenced by which country's cultural elements? Option number C, Tibet. 87. The Thangta dance forms involves displays of? Option number B, martial arts using swords and spears. 88. Which dance form is performed as a part of the Hornbill Festival? Option number B, Naga warrior dance. 89. The Domkach dance is traditionally performed in which occasion? Number B. Wedding ceremonies. 90. Tamasha, a folk theatre involving dance and music, is mainly from which state? Option number A. Maharashtra. 91. Jhoda is a popular group dance form performed during festivals in which state? Option number A. Uttarakhand. 92. Poikkal Kuthirai Attam is a dance performed using number C. Dummy horse legs. 93. Bharatanatyam was revived in the 20th century primarily through the efforts of option number C. T. Balasaraswati. 94. The Pangcholam dance involves which musical instrument? Number B. Drum. Pang. 95. Which folk dance form from Himachal Pradesh is performed during the Dussehra festival? Option number A. Nati. 96. The Chow dance form is performed without mask in which style? Option number B. Purulia. 97. Tandav is associated with Lord Shiva while Lasha is attributed to whom? Option number B. Parvati. 98. The Terukuttu folk dance drama originated in which state? Option number A. Tamil Nadu. 99. The Kaudi dance is performed by women of which state? Option number B. Himachal Pradesh. 100. Which classical dance uses a unique combination of singing, acting, and dancing called Sanchari Abhinay? Option number C. Bharatanatyam. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, you can download PDF from my Telegram channel. The link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.